Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this Esmeralda look on Dress to Impress. Super cute, super fun. Let's get started with the video. Again, I'm not going to redo the hair because that takes ages to do, just saying. So let's just remove everything except for that. For the hair I use this one in just black, no adjustments. Toggle to the back setting and no flowers. Here it's no flowers. Then I just added this on top without any adjustments as well in black and added this one. I did use adjustments on this brat hair. Colored it black, positioned it Y 0.68, Z 0.65, X 0.36 for the rotation. Scaled it to 0.35. Then for the headband, I used this in the color FF965 in the first toggle. Then I used the scarf to create like the headband going down in the same color in these adjustments. Position it at Y 0.84, Z 0.76, and rotate the X at 0.39 and scale it to 0.59. For the outfit, we are going to use, I think, no VIP this time. Select this outfit, color it white in matte, and then color this second color this color 445 D69 in matte, and then color that white, and then the last like this yellow F6B76A. For the skirt, we're going to use this first. Toggle it to skirt. Oh my god, I added something else. To skirt only. You can either choose this one or this one. Let me try this one because I didn't do that. And then I'm just going to color it. What color did I use? Did I save it? Okay, I used this color 5D3B5F, and I used this for like the gold embellishment, I guess, in metallic. For the skirt, I used this one and this color, so 6F5B7D, and the rest in just white. And then I used this from the Valentine's collection in this color and the same like gold color. And then I used these sleeves in white. And then I also used these hoop earrings in that same gold color. Whichever one you want, honestly, it doesn't matter. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.